Look at all that rain. Beautiful community, but definitely don't really want to be in here for hurricane season. Too many trees. Big giant trees. Man. Hurricane season starts June 1st, which has officially begun, and it lasts through, I believe, the end of November. Okay, somebody didn't take the trash cans in. Wow. Just a lot of rain, but no wind. Thank goodness for that. Like being all up in the woods, for sure. I almost missed my turn. Let me pay attention. Well, thank you, Jesus, for the covering of your blood. Hallelujah. Most folk, I guess, they inside. This is Florida for you. And actually, this is really not that bad. It really isn't. But I tell you what, I'm not going to be up in here. We get a hurricane with all these trees. Something fall, you get stuck. And I'm not in my Jeep anymore.